A large-scale bike rally was held on Friday across the 11-Maharanipur Teliamura constituency to bolster the campaign of IPFT nominee Dhananjay Reang. Starting and ending at Chakmaghat, the rally covered significant ground, including the Mungiakami 43-mile area. The event saw significant participation from party loyalists and was attended by key figures such as Sunil Barma. The rally served as a strategic move to energize the grassroots electorate and showcase the party's growing influence in the region. Party officials noted that the massive attendance reflects strong public support for Reang's candidacy.
11-Maharanipur Teliamura constituency districte Chini Chungpai ebong gari rally khlaina thangtongo Chungpai rally khlainai first Mungiakami hamnai erpore atharmura pore nominee asambari uttor Maharanipur Teliamura phai chungoro ses khlainai ani bagai chungjotono tini bike rally ba gari rally ni bagai chungtiar tai jottono ang jotto haste ni chini borokdo phana koyo norok social media ni bisingte ang jotto ni thani ang koyo jottono borok chunglo utsauri tongkhaise chungje dur khlaimani bisingte jotto borok ni phugono mankha o agi chini IPFT Tripura land sanai 2009 ni simi san phene borok bangma kesamro achujak nogo achujak jogajog mai ani karone borok achujak tongnai rok chumia thangmani pore borok sarai opong no saka Tripura land manna bagi khe sudo IPFT Tripura land ni bagi dabil thene IPFT no chubur dinai chungno no bur diwe jujuk to thaine hini bora no pog dikha tai aboni sathe naidi norok social media ni bisingte ang jotto ni thani jotto Tripura haste ni chini borok do phano ang ko kochana muchungo tabung naidi je jagao dui dol bulaimani toglaimani bisingte mang chungnugui tongo phiaba chini IPFT party kunu jagao chung bulai toglaini a jagao chung thanglak a borok abono no wanchugi je borok do pharo kaham lamao himna hangkhai sudo ekmatra IPFT party no nango norok nainedi IPFT kunu jaga bulai toglai kri kho tabusuk jora norok wanchugi naidi BJP pai khangkhe ba Tripura mo thapujak mano Tripura mo thapai khangkhe BJP pujak mano je obostha o hai untogo hai ni bagai jotto Tripura hasten borok no social media bisingti ang koina mo chungo norok suju singkhola kahamba be tongna mo chukhake chini IPFT vote diwe jotto chini 24 ta sito bosamani 24 jon pass khlai rohdi chungno edisio khomotati phedi ke chung shanti singkhola babe tongmana hini jotto ni thabi koya ani ko
Reported by Hiranmoy and Biplov from Teliamura, Chini, Khorang.